Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Robotic Zone. In today's video I am going to show you something very interesting. In today's video I am going to show you some shortcuts which you can do in Windows 10 in your laptop or your PC. So the first shortcut is, when your computer gets slow, you will try to refresh your computer. So rather than refreshing it again and again, so the easiest way is click F5 on your keyboard. So it will refresh your computer. So now we are going to move on to the second shortcut. So the second shortcut which we are going to do is how to select all the things in your document or your file explorer or your notepad or anything. So when you want to select something, most of the time you will start to drag it like this, or if there is a huge thing you will try to select all a document, and if a document is so huge, so you will try to select the whole document. Rather than doing that, the easiest method to do is in your keyboard click Ctrl and A. So when you click Ctrl and A together, it will select the whole text document in your notepad or any other things. So the third shortcut which we are going to learn is, so suppose if you have a huge number of files running in your computer, so there are many files in here. So if you want to minimize all the files, rather than minimizing all like this, the easiest way is click Windows plus D. So when you click Windows plus D, it will go for your desktop. So if you want, you can do any other works. And again, if you want to go for the place where all the files was there, again click Windows key plus D. So again, when you click Windows key plus D, it will restore all your files again in the order. So the next shortcut is, let's see that there is no Windows Explorer in here. So now you are in a situation like this, that there you have opened all the apps. So now you immediately want to go for File Explorer. So the shortcut way to open Explorer is Windows key plus E. So it will be opening your Explorer. So if you want, you can do your work and then you can close it. So the next shortcut which we are going to learn is, that's a very useful shortcut. So now let's see that you want to search something, a very important file which is in your computer, and you can't find it. So if you want to find that thing, in your keyboard click Windows logo and then click the letter R. So once you click the letter R, it will be going for a Windows running program. So if you want, you can type the document which you want. Here they have put in here, type the name of a program, folder, document or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. So if you want to open a document, Windows will open it for you. So now I am typing here downloads. So now I am pressing OK. So it will go for my downloads file. So in here I can get all the downloads. So in this Windows plus R, you have many things you can do. So if you want, you can open even internet resource or a program. You can open many things with this. So the next shortcut is, if you want to capture your screen and if you want to send it for someone, if you have a problem, the shortcut key is Windows key plus print screen. So it will be taking a screenshot and it will be saved in your screenshot folder. So the next shortcut which I am going to explain you is a very interesting shortcut. So many of you may have known there is a narrator in your Windows 10 version. So in Windows 10 version you will get a narrator. So narrator is an app which can read what is in your screen, and then most of the people who use narrators are people who can't see. So people use, if they can't see, the narrator will read so that they can hear, and they can do the computer, they can use the computer by the narrator. So the shortcut to open narrator is Windows key plus Control plus Enter.
Start narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads
So
up.
in here, this is the narrator.
Narrator keyboard changes.
You can press
We've
this
updated
OK.
narrator scan. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen read desktop list, slice Xiam, 1 of 21, scan off. Refresh,
So in
refresh,
here, now, for
menu
example,
item,
in here, see,
menu key,
now see in here, when I want to refresh the computer, now see I'm closing my eyes and I'm doing.
context, view, sort by, menu item, collapsed, menu key, sort by, refresh, menu
so now
item,
it in here
menu
came
key.
refresh. So now I close my eyes and I refresh the computer by the narrator. So narrator is used for blind people so that they can hear
Sort,
and
refresh,
use the computer.
menu item,
So
menu
if you want to
key.
exit narrator, again click Windows key plus Control plus Enter.
Exiting narrator.
So it will exit the narrator. So the next shortcut which I am going to explain you is, if you want to open desktop, the shortcut is Control plus N. So it will be opening your desktop. So if you want, you can do all your programs and then again close it. So the next shortcut which I am going to explain you is, if you want to type, so now I am typing here in English. So I have typed my name in here. So if you want to type something in Sinhala, the shortcut way is press Windows key plus space. Then it will switch your language for Sinhala. So now when I type, it will be coming in Sinhala. So I have typed Lukman. So I can type any other words. So I have typed Mama, me. So if you want, you can type any other things. And then if you want to change your language, type in here search and then go for language settings. So change the language. So go for language settings, and then in here you can add a language. So you can add any language which you want, and then you can type in that language. So if you want to change the language, press Windows key plus space. Then you can switch the language for this or this. So if you want, you can add Arabic language, or you can add any other languages. So this is the shortcut key to change your language. So the last shortcut which we are going to learn today is that if you want to shut down your computer or sign out or make your computer to sleep, or if you want to do anything, rather than going in here and clicking this power button and doing all the options, the easiest way which you can do is press Alt and F4. So if you press Alt and F4, you can sign out, shut down, or you can switch to user, or you can make the computer to sleep, or you can even restart the computer.